So, a very good morning to all of you children. In today's session, as we have learned in the previous session, we are going to continue with the worksheet 1, all about vowels and consonants. Now we know what our vowels and consonants are. Now let's move on to, let's have a recap, a short recap of what we have already learned in the previous session. Then we'll move on to the exercises. We have a little more, we have 2 more exercises to be completed in worksheet 1. Let's move on to it. Okay, so during today's session, we have to do that. I hope all of you are ready with your workbook. So can we start, children? Okay, the first question goes to Bennett. Bennett, come on, tell me. Bennett, are you ready? Had your breakfast, Bennett? Yes? No, not still. Okay then. Bennett, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes? Now my question is, how many letters are there in English alphabet?
26. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet.
Very good, Bennett. Very good, very good. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Very good. So among that, how many are vowels? Rutika. Rutika.
I, O, U are called vowels.
Okay, how many numbers are there? How many vowels are there?
5.
5, very good. Like a 5 fingers, we have 5 vowels, and they are, Ritika has told us that there are 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, and U. Very good. Now, the next question is, remaining how many? Very good, Ritika. Yes, Madhav, come on, tell me, how many letters are there? Yes, come on, tell me, how many letters are there?
21 letters.
Yes, Madhav, say it a little more brilliantly. How many letters are there?
21.
Yes, 21 letters. And what are they called, Madhav? Madhav, come on. What are they called?
Consonants.
Yes. All of you, please do repeat the word. It is consonants. Okay?
Consonants.
Consonants. So, how many consonants are there? All of you, please do say it.
21.
Vowels are there? How many vowels are there?
5.
Very good.
5.
Together, how many letters are there in English alphabet?
26.
Yes, 26. Now, as I've already told you that vowels and consonants are good friends. Why are they good friends, children? Why are they good friends? Yes, have I? Yes, come on. Why are they good friends? Can you show me? Yes, consonants and vowels are great friends. Okay, so they help each other. Vowels and consonants help each other to make what?
Words.
Words. Very good. They help each other to make words. They know it only. Yes.
Sentence.
Yes, they are great friends. Okay, they help each other in order to make words. Okay, so they know it only with consonants or only with vowels we can't make words. Okay, so vowels has to help the consonants and consonants has to help, consonants help the vowels in order to make words. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, the both of them help each other to make words. Okay, is that clear to all of you? Now let's move on to today's session. Are you there? Yes? All of you please do take your workbook, children. All of you please do take your workbook and get ready with your workbook. Open to the next page. I don't know which page are you having it. Is it page number 2 or 4? All of you please do take your workbooks, children. Yes? Are you all ready? Yes, are you all ready? Yes, with a pencil? Yes, very good. Okay then. Let's start, okay? So we have already finished with all this. We know what our vowels are and what our consonants are, and we know that vowels and consonants together make words, and vowels are so important, and that's why vowels are called as special words, special letters, special letters, because there is no word without a vowel. Okay? So let's move on to the second exercise. This is exercise, you have it in your workbook. All of you, please do take the workbook, exercise C. Okay? So all of you, please do take the exercise C. Are you all ready? Okay. So are you all ready? Yes? If it's yes, put a thumbs up for me. Yes. So I hope all of you are ready. Yes. Okay, Mitra, we'll do it. So here in this exercise, see, write the words beginning with a vowel in box A and the words beginning with a consonant in box B. In your workbook, that there are two boxes are given for you. In box A, we have to write all the words beginning with vowel. In box B, we have to write all the words beginning with consonant. Okay, are you all ready? Are you all ready? So draw the box. The box is already drawn there. Now let's move on to it. Okay. Yes. So I'll call Albrin first. Albrin, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. One minute, children. Can you see the words, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Albrin. So see the first word.
Yes.
The first word is, which is the first word? Come on, read the word. Albrin? I. Very good. What you said is right. It is I. Okay. I starts with which letter? Is it a vowel or a consonant?
Vowel.
Vowel. So which box we have to write there?
A.
Yes, very good. So please do write it there. E, Y, E, I. Please do write it. All of you. Write it neatly, okay, children? So there are 31 words are there. So I wanted all of you to draw a line in between. Only then you can write it, okay? So I hope there are 15 words should be here and 15 words should be here. Okay, now very good, Albrin, well done. Now let's move on to Siddhi Vinayak. Siddhi Vinayak, come on, Siddhi. Siddhi, unmute it. Siddhi? Yes.
Egg.
Yes, next word is egg. So where we have to write, Siddhi?
A box.
Yes, box A. Very good. So please do write it. E, G, G, egg. I hope all of you are doing it. If you do it now, the work is lessened. Yes. So I wanted all of you to please do it now. Yes. Siddhi Vinayak, very good. Now let's move on to Anurag. Anurag, come on, Anurag. Move on to the next word, Anurag. Yes, arm. In which box we have to write, Anurag?
Of A.
Yes, box A. All of you please do write. Very good, Anurag. Please do write it. Arm should be written in box A. Very good. So I hope all of you are doing it. Tirtha. Tirtha, come on, Tirtha. Yes. Go on to the fourth word. How do we pronounce the word? Yes, unmute it, please. How do we pronounce the word? Fourth word. One, yes, where we have to write it in box A or box B?
Box A.
Very good, box A. So we have to write it here. Okay, O-N-E-1. Okay, clear to all of you? Yes. Now, let's move on to the next person. All of you, please do get ready for the next word. Yes, Dhyan. Dhyan, come on. Dhyan? Come on, read the fifth word. Read the fifth word, Dhyan. Dhyan, are you there? Yes, unmute it, please. Are you able to unmute it? Please do it, Dhyan. Yes, read the fifth word for me.
Owl.
Owl. Okay, very good. Where we have to write it? Where we have to write it?
Vowel.
Yes, so it starts with a vowel. In which box we have to write it? Box A or box B?
A.
A. Okay, very good. So all of you please do write it O-W-L. So when you write it, children, write it in your very good handwriting. You're writing it in your workbook and see there that you write it in your cursive. Okay? Okay, Advait PS. Come on, Advait PS.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the sixth word.
Sixth word is bag.
Bag. Very good, Advait. So where we have to write it? In box A or box B?
Box B.
Very good. Well done. So all of you please do write it. Very good, Advait. So I hope all of you are writing. I'm giving a little bit of time for you to copy down the word into your workbook. See that you complete it. Yes. Now let's move on to the next word. Jennifer. Jennifer. Yes, Jennifer, unmute it. And we are finished with the sixth word. Now read the seventh word for me, Jennifer.
Boat.
Yes, very good. It is boat. So where we have to write it? It starts with the letter B. So where we have to write it?
B.
B, yes, box B. As it starts, B is a consonant. So we have to write in box B. Very good. It is boat.
Ma'am?
Yes.
We can write the line.
Yes, you can draw a line with a pencil. Why is that? Means more or less you will be having more of words. So if you draw a line in between, it helps you to write few words there and few words here. That's what. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So according to your handwriting. Okay. Now let's move on to the next person. Anav, come on, Anav. Now read the next word for me. The eighth word.
Leaf.
Leaf. Very good. So where we have to write? Yes, it starts with a consonant. So where we have to write? In box A or box B?
B.
B. Very good. So all of you please do write it. Very good. Anav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now let's move on to the next. Advait, is it Advait Manu? Okay, Advait Manoj. Huh? Here it is not given like that. Advait. Advait Manoj, come on. Read the next word. That is the ninth word.
Moon.
No, ninth word. Yes, moon. Very good. Ninth word is moon. So where we have to write it?
Box B.
Very good. Box B. So please do write it. Very good. It starts with a consonant. Moon is a word which starts with a consonant M. So we have to write that word in box B. Very good, Advait. I hope all of you are writing. And see that you write neatly. Ample time is given for you to copy down the word into your workbook. See that you write very neatly into your workbook. Okay, children? Yes. Now, Stefano. Come on, Stefano. Stefano. Yes, Stefano. Come on, read the next word. So, moon, we have finished. Now, we'll move on to the
Tree.
10th word. Yes.
Tree.
Tree. Very good. Where we have to write it? Come on, Stefano. Tree starts with which letter? Is it a vowel or a consonant? Stefano, are you there?
Consonants.
Consonant. Yes, it's sure. T is a consonant. So where we have to write it?
Box B.
Yes, very good. Box B. Write it. Please do write it. All of you. Yes. Yes, Nihal. Come on, Nihal. Nihal, we'll move on to the next word. So we are finished with tree. Next word, 11th word, Nihal. Have you unmuted it? Yes. Can you hear me? Unmute it, please. Yes. Come on. We'll move on to the 11th word. So 11th word, where we have to write it?
Apple.
Yes, apple. So where we have to write it?
It is a vowel.
Yes, apple, it's a vowel. So where we have to write it?
B. Box A.
Yes. It is box A. Very good. So right there, apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Okay. Yes. Now let's move on to the next person. I hope all of you are writing. Yes, why all these videos are not on? Please do turn on your videos, children. Some of you haven't turned on your videos. Please do it. Yes, Wilfred. Come on, Wilfred. Wilfred, are you there? Yes, come on, we'll move on to the next word. Yes. Come on, we'll move on to the next word. Apple. 12th word. 12th word. Come on, Wilfred, read the 12th word. Yes. Why no? Yes, come on. Which is the next word?
House.
Horse. How do you pronounce the word? It is horse. H. So it is horse. So where we have to write that word? In box A or box B?
Box B.
B. Very good. So please do write it. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Yes, very good. Parvati. Come on, Parvati. Parvati, unmute it. Yes. Parvati, unmute it, Parvati. Yes. Read the next word. So we have finished with the horse. Now we'll move on to the 13th word. Read the word.
Mouse.
Mouse. Very good. Mouse. So in which box we have to write that word?
Box B.
Box B. Yes, very good. Since it starts with a consonant, so we have to write the word in box B. Very good, Parvati. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Evelyn. Come on, Evelyn. Evelyn. Come on, read the next word. 14th word. Purse. I'm sorry. You read the word. I'm sorry. Read the 14th word. Yes, read it, Evelyn. The 14th word. Yes.
Mouse.
It is not mouse. We have 15th word.
Purse.
Purse. Yes, purse. Where we have to write it? Where we have to write the word? Yes, come on.
Box B.
Yes, box B, because it starts with a consonant. So we have to write it in the box B. Very good. Yes. Yes, now let me see whether all have finished. Yes. Is there anyone still writing? Tom Saji is not there. Shiva Madhav. Mohammed Swaleh. No. Hezza is there. If it's there, please do raise your hands, okay, children? If I've left out to mark you. Ivana, not Ivana, Evina Rose. Bhagyashri? No. Okay then. So I hope all of you are doing it. Yes. Now let's move on to the next word. Santo. Come on, Santo. Do the next word. We have finished with the 14th word. Now let's move on to the 15th word.
Stone.
Yes, foot. Yes, we have finished with the purse. Now 15th word is what? Now repeat it once more.
Stone.
Stone. Very good. So where we have to write it?
B.
B. Okay. So please do write it. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Very good. Please do write it, okay? Yes, now let's move on to the next word. All of you turn on your videos, children. Yes, see that you complete. We have already finished with 15 words. Now Chaitanya, come on Chaitanya. Unmute it. We'll move on to the next word. So we have finished with stone. Now let's move on to the 16th word, spoon. Chaitanya, what happened? Are you facing any network issues?
No, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the word.
Spoon.
Spoon. So where we have to write it?
Box B.
Very good. So as it starts with letter S, S is a consonant. So we have to write in box B. Very good. Chaitanya. Okay, spoon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's move on to the next person quickly. My means we'll finish off with at least 20 words for this session. And the remaining words you can do it as home assignment, I believe. Okay, can do it at home. Just give a practice at home so that you know it by yourself, how to do this exercise by yourself. Okay, so from 21 to 31, you'll be doing it at home. Okay, it will be discussed. The answer keys will be sent to you later. Who hasn't got a chance here? Yes, Muhammad Ali, come on. Come on, do the next word. Quickly, we'll do it. 17th word. Read the 17th word. Read the 17th word. Muhammad Ali, quickly.
Mango.
Mango, yes. Where we have to write it? In box A or box B?
Box B.
Yes, mango. M is a consonant. So we have to write in box B. Okay. So all of you, please do write it. Box B. So the next chance goes to Haya. Haya, come on, Haya.
Yes, miss.
Haya, it's time now. Haya, come on, read the 18th word, Haya. Come on, quick.
Enemy.
Enemy, very good. So, which box we have to write that word?
Box
A, very good. Box A. Why we are writing in box A? Because enemy starts with a
vowel.
vowel. Very good. So we have to write the word enemy in box A as it starts with a vowel. Very good. Okay. Android, come on, Android. Android. Come on, unmute it and do the 19th word for me. Yes, Android, are you there? Yes, come on. 19th word, Android. Yes, 19th word, no? Mouse, have we done it? Mouse, we have already finished. Huh?
Yes.
It is a repetition. Yes, this 19th word is a repetition, children. Okay. 19th word is a repetition for you. Okay, so why that is why maybe It is 31 words. It's a repetition. Okay, now let's move on to the 20th word, pupil. Okay, so where we have to write it? Pupil. Yes, what you said is right.
B.
Yes,
B.
box B. Very good. Box B. So I hope you have understood how to do this exercise in your workbook. Now, okay, only 10 more words are left. So see that you can do it at home. Okay, so let's wind up today's session. Before we wind up today's session, I wanted to check your workbook. All of you, please do show me your workbook for a minute. Let me see whether all of you have completed the exercise. Yes, very good. Just show it. Let me see whether all of you are writing it very neatly. Yes, very good, children. Yes, keep it up. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, my dear children. Yes, you have written it very well. So, yes, children, it's time for us to wind up today's session. Bye-bye, children. Thank you all. Bye, children.
Bye,
Have a great day. Bye. Thank you. Yes, bye, children. Okay. So if you have
ma'am.
complete the remaining words, okay? Otherwise, we'll do it in the next session. Okay, then, children. Bye-bye.
Bye.